After the Ahmedabad air crash, it seems like the two scares today has embarrassed Air India yet again. One scare after the other for Air India. This morning, an Air India flight from Kochi veered off the runway while landing in heavy rains at the Mumbai airport. And that's what happened. You see on our screens, the Airbus A320 landed around 9:27 a.m. 3 tires burst on the impact. The aircraft swerved. Photographs that's been accessed by News9 here show grass and mud smeared across the wing and the nose wheel area. Now, there's also visible damage to the engine cowling and the wing flaps. The plane, in fact, with those passengers, somehow managed to taxi to the gate. Everyone on board is safe. They got off safe. But the main runway had to be shut after this incident. The aircraft is now grounded. And this is not the only one. Just hours later, another Air India scare happened. Then this time it was Delhi. A little while ago, flight AI 2403 bound for Kolkata was already racing down the Delhi runway at almost 155 kilometers per hour when the pilot suddenly slammed the brakes, or rather aborted takeoff altogether. Emergency brakes were hit. The takeoff was aborted mid-roll just seconds before liftoff. The probe's now underway as to why the plane was stopped when it was almost at 155 kilometers per hour speed. Now, these are serious events. The airline can't really ignore it and are pressed for answers. What we saw this morning in Mumbai, if we could see those images there, the Mumbai images are also scary. We're looking at tires burst. Anything could have happened if the pilot did not manage to control the flight right in time. We wonder what would have happened to those passengers on board there. All this began, of course, with the horrific Air India crash that happened on June 12th. The AI-171 Boeing Dreamliner that crashed in Ahmedabad that killed 260 people on board and on ground collectively has now led to huge fingers and eyeballs rolling on Air India. Preliminary report on this very crash in Ahmedabad cites mid-air engine failure, cockpit confusion and failed recovery attempts within seconds of takeoff. Pilot error is also now being widely discussed, though the aviation minister has now requested people not to cast aspersions on the pilots until a final report is out. But here we are. Weeks later, we're looking at two more close calls. It's reported Air India was served 9 safety violation notices before the June 12th crash. And what changed after those notices? Is Air India really having a safety crisis now? Is this just bad luck or the fallout of a deeper systematic issue?